iseife uyo
ali mu ntebe ye
uyo baba uyo
ali ku ikonero
uyo iseife uyo
ali mu ntebe
kasoka banange mwebala okusaba musala daife mwava kya mugaso twasabanga omusana n'obwire okukya nga tusabira obusoga okwira awalala anti ebyobuwangwa byali biri kusaanawo aye katonda yamala yaikiriza busoga yatereera tuli otiise tetwisa kirala twatereera kukyabasoga nseete twisa kirala twayira walala bwe tubona baba nga tumwaniriza ise bantu Gabula Nadiope kobaini lya mpitito lya kalanga kalera baana atafumbisa mperere baba lwayanika amati katona oyo ikunganya n'ababise baba ali kutonya amazzi gani mutonya musayi nzowa mutesi
ali mu ntebe ye
uyo baba uyo
ali ku ikonero
uyo iseife uyo
ali mu ntebe ye
akamweno ka baba na kampaire enseko ku matama niwe mbatinize nimbona ekifaanani kyenterera era butintereire ndiye baba mumpe empanda neifumo niine wano ku muti nikulinda oyo anaagema kulata waife nakumwamira eifumo ebyenda bimweyuwe mutyabula empuli obweni bubwikuke amakadaga gemaanoti gema ndeeta ensumulu bwena abatebuze nje mu kibali mufunte bwatoli eriiso lituumemu nani anaagema kwise bantu bwendowooza eriina ly'olwisi mwenamu eriina linvugira bulungi oti musokolome baba uyo
ali ku ikonero
uyo iseife uyo
ali mu ntebe ye
uyo baba uyo
ali ku ikonero
uyo iseife uyo musibe nkine muncamwike kalabada ncamwike ncamwike kulwa iseife ncamwike musibe nkine muncamwike kalabada ncamwike ncamwike kulwa iseife ncamwike tudoge yani kine kulwalata leka mbibye tudoge tyaninye kulwalaka leka ntuke tudoge tyaninweire kulwalaka leka nwemu Gabula Nadiope ekisagasa kitalirwa nsolo baba atereire Gabula atereire Busoga atereire ali mwalamula atereire
ali mu ntebe ye
Let's have a word of prayer from our Reverend here.
Kale katusabe Katonda mulungi Katonda w'ekisa kwebaza Kyabazinga wa Busoga kwebaza abagenyi bona bayese mu lubiri wano igenge
A few months ago, I have been on fire. I was burnt. I was burned. We were kicked with this man here to the extent of even telling him that he was dead in an accident. The Busoga were asking me, where is our Kyabazinga? For God's sake, it's not my work to tell you where Kyabazinga is. Kyabazinga ni Kyabazinga wa Busoga, Afrimesa wa Dayenda, Yangiresa wa Dakozechi. Abasoga mukoze ebigambo ebitereevu muva wala asobola okuwanga Kyabazinga amaanyi ngatoolawo baba Kyabazinga vumvubwa ondekerero zeena njagaleku ata Osman webala emirimu gyokola. I want to thank the team that has been here. Thank you for continuing to work even when you are being disrespected. You do what you do with my permission. And I am the Katuke of Busoga. The one and only. Until the Kyabazinga decides. I'm not political. And I'm only the 7th. Can you imagine? We want to thank you very much for heeding our call and coming. Busoga cannot move on without you. You are the true cabinet ministers of the Kyabazinga. In the work that you do, educating our children, in the work that you do, raising up children, in the work that you do, building beautiful homes, in the work that you do, ensuring that you have toilets in all your houses, you have contributed to Busoga. By show of hands, whom did I give transport to come here today? And who tells you are not contributing to Busoga? That is the contribution we are looking for. Look after your families, and you have contributed. I'm telling you, give birth to your children that you can manage. I'm not telling you to just produce. To only those that you can.
Agencies present Katukiro wa Busoga n'abamyukabo nga nokuli owekitiibwa Osman Ahmed Nur balangira ab'amasaza mu bitiibwa byammwe ba ministers ab'obwa Kyabazinga bwa Busoga, ba district education officers abali wano olwaleero, ba head teachers mu bitiibwa byammwe eby'endawulo, aba primary ne secondary schools, abalangira n'abambeeda, speaker wa Busoga lukiiko na buli muntu mu kitiibwa kye. All protocol observed. Kodeyo basebo ni banyabo. Ndija kwogera mu Lusoga lutono ng'Oluzungu lungi. Ekirungi nimwe beene abatusomesa. Ntwala omukisa guno okubeebaza okwida mu bungi mutwe. Mwebale ino, mwebalire irala. Nayongera okubeebaza okwongera ku iddoboozi lya Katiikiro n'abogezi abandi ababayirewo nti mwebale kuba bazaire ate mwebale kusomesa abaana, mwebalire irala. Omulimu gw'omukola munene nnyo era n'obuzimbye eiwanga lyaife n'ensi yonna yonna ogw'okusomesa abaana, ogw'okuba abazaire ye bali, n'abantu okuba nti musobola okubafuula ab'obuvunaanyizibwa. Ak'enswiso mbeebaza ino era okusomesa kubanga abamu ku ife naddala ife abalangira ab'ekiteetezo kino nimwe abatufiire okusoma bwe tuliko olwaleero n'abantu ab'obuvunaanyizibwa. Mwebale ino. Ife abandi tuli kusoma kubanga nimwe beene abatutegeka, nimwe beene abatutaamu ebiseera, ate nimwe beene abatufuula kye tuli. N'olwekyo mbeebaza ino. Eri ba Musaayi muto wemboyine aba Victoria Nile Primary School, naidukira nti nasomerayo P1 P3 kuva 1995 mpaka 1997. So bampaire fond memories of byene byebaliikola bitwalimu era ndafuna mu business schedule yange time nje mbakyalireku official. Neri amasomero agandi gona agafunye omukisa okola presentations. Mwebale kutwala message etuleese olunaku olwaleero. Mwebalire irala. Mutikandire mu Luzungu kuba nimwe beene abatusomesa. The main reason we are gathered here today is to come up with strategies that will help us in the fight to end teenage pregnancies in Busoga and Uganda at large. I want to extend my sincere gratitude to Dr. Robin Nandi for creating time to come here and for the commitment that you have pledged to support Busoga Kingdom in fighting teenage pregnancy and improving education standards in the region. I want to reiterate my personal commitment to use our culture institution and leading the way in strengthening linkages among actors and mobilization of all stakeholders to create a critical mass that can fight to end teenage pregnancy and as well improve on the other development indicators such as education, health, and household income, among others. to the chief administrative officers, district education officers, and of course, especially the head teachers who are here today. I am pleased to see you in big numbers. This is a very good sign and a great display of commitment. And as all you know, teachers the world over are very important in shaping the future of everyone, including myself as a king. We therefore honor your contribution to nation building and appreciate the efforts you are putting in to shape the children of Busoga and the entire world. As has been articulated by previous speakers, and as well indicated in my letter to the children of Busoga, we are here due to a crisis of great dangers, teenage pregnancies, and high rates of school dropouts. At a personal level, I shall ensure that I take off time to read the feedback that you've forwarded to me today. And thank you for being cooperative within a short period of time. I want to challenge you, all of you in your respective roles, to pause and ponder on what exactly is going wrong in our communities and to innovatively come up with strategies to confront these challenges, causing an ever-increasing rate of school dropouts and teenage pregnancies. As teachers and handlers of children from early years, I have the confidence that you have what it takes to shape children to a mindset of believing in education and to work together with parents to overcome challenges that make children, especially girls, to drop out of school. I am happy and delighted that you have committed yourselves to working even harder on the challenges, and I commit to supporting you in mobilizing the communities and parents, partners, and other stakeholders for a better approach to combating these vices. As already said, we shall work with everyone, especially the relevant arms of government, Ministry of Education, Ministry of Gender, Ministry of Health, Ministry of Local Government, and the enforcement arms, including the private sector and the general community. To the children here today, and all your peers in and out of school, I implore you to listen carefully and heed to the advice of your parents, teachers, and other leaders in your locations. As I wrote to you in my letter after accomplishing my second master's degree, you are cherished. You are our cherished lot, and you hold the future and aspirations of our heritage. Do not indulge in things that will take you off your road to success. Avoid bad influence and focus on your studies until you have gained skills to manage the world. Bad habits like drug abuse and indulging in early relationships will ruin your future. Guard your future by staying in school and working hard to excel in your exams. For the general public, especially the men and boys, I appeal to you to take this campaign very seriously and mobilize yourselves in your villages into advocates of child protection and promoters of education, and also encourage our youth to focus on job creation in agriculture and service industries instead of indulging in affairs that destroy their future. Let men and boys be the pillars of our families and communities. Abasada n'empango. I conclude by thanking you once again, the teachers, the DEOs, and others, including our development partners, especially Unicef, that I recognize the invaluable work you are doing for choosing to work with the Busoga Kingdom, and the collaboration to ensure protection, safeguarding, and uplifting of the standards of our children's education and health, including those that are vulnerable with disabilities, especially in remote areas and urban cities. I once again thank the organizing committee and the Kyabazinga Initiatives and all other stakeholders for the great job well done. I look forward to working with you closely, and I'm once again very happy that you've turned up in large numbers. Busoga Kingdom.